La Palma volcanic eruption intensifies and drow Canary Islands in the Atlantic. Buildings near the Cumbre Vieja volcano on the Spanish island of La Palma have been engulfed by rivers of lava, with the drama of the red-hot eruption intensified by the spectacle of flashes of lightning. The volcano began erupting on September 19 and has destroyed more than 800 buildings and forced the evacuation of about 6,000 people from their homes on the island. La Palma, with a population of about 83,000, is one of the Canary Islands in the Atlantic. On Saturday, the magma destroyed at least 4 buildings in the village of Callejon de la Gata, Reuters news agency reported. Lightning flashes were also seen near the eruption early on Saturday. The lava from the volcano has engulfed more than 150 hectares, 370 acres, of farmland. It has also caused huge damage to banana plantations in La Palma, the second largest producer in the Canary Islands, where the crop accounts for 50% of the island's economy. Once the black grit lands on the bananas, it is almost impossible to remove. On Friday, the ash cloud from the eruption disrupted flights on the neighboring island of Tenerife for several hours. La Palma's airport has been closed since Thursday because of ash, Spanish air traffic operator ANA said. Volcanic ash has also covered the island's salt flats. When the ash fell, we were about to collect the salt, but it completely covered everything, creating a crust on top, and we cannot separate the salt from the ash. It has completely penetrated the grain. It's impossible to separate, Andres Hernandez told Reuters, adding that up to 200 tons of salt had been ruined. The eruption has also deterred visitors to the saltworks, which are also one of the island's tourist attractions. Lightning flashes were seen near the eruption early on Saturday. A study published in 2016 by the journal Geophysical Research Letters found lightning can be produced during volcanic eruptions because the collision of ash particles creates an electrical charge. The lava from the volcano has engulfed over 150 hectares, 370 acres, of farmland, most of it used for the cultivation of bananas that are one of the main crops on the island. Airlines flying to the Canary Islands were advised to load extra fuel in case planes had to change course or delay landing because of ash, said a spokesman for ENAIR, which controls the navigation in Spanish airspace. La Palma's airport has been closed since Thursday because of ash, Spanish air traffic operator ANA said, but the other airports in the archipelago remained open. Red-hot lava engulfed the land José Roberto Sanchez inherited from his parents on Saturday, and lightning flashed around the rim of the volcano that has been erupting on the Spanish island of La Palma for almost 3 weeks. There were 37 seismic movements on Saturday, with the largest measuring 4.1, the Spanish National Geological Institute said, but La Palma's airport reopened after being closed since Thursday because of ash, Spanish air traffic operator ANA said. All other Canary Islands airports are open. The magma streaming down the hillside from the Cumbre Vieja volcano destroyed at least 4 village buildings, some of the nearly 1,150 buildings and surrounding land destroyed since the volcano began erupting on September 19. The memories of my parents, the inheritance I had there, it's all gone, Sanchez told Reuters of the land his parents owned in Todoque, in the west of the island. Lava has engulfed 493 hectares of land, most of it used for the cultivation of bananas, which are one of the main crops on the island, said Miguel Angel Morquende, technical director of the Canary Islands Volcanic Emergency Plan.